Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're minimizing and maximizing functionality when you're trying to open and close Windows on your Windows computer is having issues. So this should hopefully be a fairly straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start this tutorial off by opening up the Start menu. Just left click on the Start button one time. Type in Settings or select the gear icon on the left side and then just select Settings. If you want to go and select the System tile, select Tablet Mode on the left side here. And now on the right, you want to go and select underneath Tablet Mode when I sign in. You want to select the drop down here and select Use Desktop Mode. So go ahead and select that. Once you're done with that, if you close out of here, you shouldn't be having any issues now with minimizing and restoring different windows that may appear to close and unclose and you're unable to really use your computer the right way. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.